Live, breaking news from KCTV5.
Breaking news just into the KCTV5 newsroom. 2 people are hurt and a speeding driver is dead after she tried to run away from police in northeast Kansas City. Officers did not chase after her, but the woman continued speeding anyways. And she drove her car into a semi-truck at Gardner and Chouteau Trafficway. The driver was reportedly the person killed. Another woman in the car was hurt, and a man who was driving the semi-truck was also hurt. It's not clear right now why the woman tried to run away from police.